Alright, so in today's video will be the recap and reveal, start to finish of our basement finishing process. Starting from scratch to framing in storage under stairs, framing in bathroom, followed by utility rooms, and then our living area that we have created in this home, and then our reveal. Here it is. Stairway leading into the basement. Living area was substantially more light than our previous video. A look down from the finished space upstairs, as well as our bedroom finish with closet and window for egress, and then our bathroom. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks, and stay tuned for more.